Hi friends, this video will cover all the important problems asked in SSC, RRB and IBPS. Let's start the session in clock. Okay, these are the topics involved, the important questions asked in the exam. Okay, I will move the slide. Let's note it down. Pass and note it down. What are the important questions asked in it? Let me solve the questions. Okay. Um, we already know the short hand is nothing but hour and the long hand is nothing but a minute hand. For 12 hour it is 360 degree. For 1 hour is 30 degree. For example, it is 12 hour. 12 hour is nothing but 360 degree. Understand? For 1 hour, how much time? How much degree? 360. If you're not watching the unit element, please go and see the video. I will tag in the description section. Okay. In numerator, there should be we want less only because 1 hour there should be less only in the numerator. One the denominator is 12. Therefore, for 1 hour it is 30 degrees. For example, if it is in one the hour and is 1 o'clock. Okay. On that time, the difference between hour and minute angle is 30 degree. For example, now it is 10 o'clock, right? What is the difference between 12 and 2? That means 30. Okay, fine. You will not understand. For 1 hour, that is whatever the angle is, the hour angle, that should be 30 degree. Okay, same as it is. Okay, for the minute angle is for 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. We already know this is the basic thing, and 360 degree. Okay, for 1 minute, how much degree? That is 360 divided by 1 by 60. That is, keep it as numerator as 1 because we want less value. That's why. That is 366 to 36. Therefore, 6 degree. Okay, let's come on to the session. Okay. Okay, now the mirror image. The mirror is nothing but if you are keep the mirror in between that, how should be the reflect? See, the 11 should be coming as 1 and 10 should be you're seeing as 2 and 9 should be you are seeing as 3. That should be reciprocal and 8 should be mirrored as 4. Whatever the angle. See, now it is at 10 o'clock. When the mirror is there on that time, it should be looking like as 2 o'clock, like that. See, whatever the, if the problem is coming, this is the main highlight thing. See, if we already know for 1 hour, that is for one day, that is 24 hours. Could we write it as 23 into for 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, right? For 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. We already know. That's why I wrote as 2360 for 24 hours. As for 12 hours, I wrote as 1160, like that. We need to remember. If we remember this one, we could solve any of the problem. Let's see, solve the problem. I will take few problems here. Okay, see friends, 240 means what is that? Mirror image already told. For 1 hour, for mirror image we need to take as 23 into 60, then 2 by 40. What is the thing? 21 is to 40. Okay, now 21 is to 40. Now it is, we need to make an, if any come back, it is as more than 12, we need to subtract it by 12 hour. Now if we are subtracting by 12, this is the minor. If it is more than 12, we need to again multiple, subtract it by 12 hour. Okay, now it is 9 is to 21 is 9 is to, okay, this is 20, right? 16 minus 40 is 20. The answer is 90. It is mirrored as 90. Directly we can answer it as 920. How could be written as that? Because now 2 is reciprocal to 10 already I told. Because it is not at all 10 to 10. That's why if you are thinking like that, we can logically we can answer this is 9. And as well as 40 means 60 minus 40 is 12. We can directly, if you know confidently, definitely you can answer without any calculation. We can write it as 920. Okay, fine. Next problem, 940. For the second problem is 940. Okay, for the, okay, already I told if it is 940 means it is look like as 2 and 60 minus 40 is 220 answer. Okay, I can do the problem. Okay. Anyway, already I told this is the 9. I would take a not at all 24 like that. I will take it as 12 only. 12. Sorry. The 12 I could write as 1160, right? Then 940. Already I told answer is 220. How could be 220? This is the answer for this question. If you are confident with that logical, we can answer logical only. Otherwise, if you don't confident with that your answer, do from this method. Okay. Now it is 4 hour 12 minute. Now it is already I told it is also a less than that. I will take it as 1161. Then 4 minus 12. What is the thing? 60 minus 48 and 11 4. Answer is 748 is the answer for this one. Okay, now it is next one is 1223. 1223. How could be the answer? Okay, I will take it as 12. Okay, I will take it as 1260 only then. And if any problem is coming like that, 12 like that, make it as 0. Okay, why? Because this is starting from the 0 only, right? That's why take it as 0. If any problems coming for the mirror image, if it is 12 coming, take it as a, this is important note. I need to highlight here. Okay, 23. Because 60 minus 23 is 37, as well as 1137 is the answer for this question. Fine. Next question is 1121. 1121. Okay, I will take it as 1121. That means 1121. 60 minus 21 is 39. And 1110. That means answer 0 means 12 already I told. 12. 39 is the answer. If it is mirror, should be showing as, the mirror should be showing as 1239. Okay, let's last one. Nothing but the least. 840. Okay, I will take it as 1160 only. 840. And again 20. And 11 minus 8 is 3. This is the, see, if any of the question is coming like that, if it is more than, if it is 2 like that it is coming, better to take it as 24 or 11 hour. That is depending upon you. The answer should be either use 2360 or use 1160. Understand? Which could be the easy thing? Better to take that. Understand? Okay, next problem. I will take it as mirror water image. Okay. Why it is taken as water image as 630? See, whenever the mirror image is coming, the always hour and minute angle should be coincide here only. That's why take it as 630 as the constant time for that one. They should be coming as 6 as a mirror image here. See, for the 10, here it is 10. For water images should be this. Now it is 6 7 8, and here it is 5 10. That means 28 20 is the answer for this question for the mirror image. Okay, for the mirror image is 820 for the 10. Okay, I will show how that is coming. Let's okay, I will show wherever the problem is coming, use 830 or 17/90. Why? If it is okay, if it is I will show how it is. Now it is 10 right? I will take it as 1830. Okay, 10 by 1830, and here it is 10. Now it is 20, and it is 820. What I told is also right thing. See, 820. If you are applying the logic, definitely could solve without any calculation. If the water image is coming, use this logic. This is the one highlighting. If it is a mirror image, use this one. 23/60 as well as or 11/60. Either by things. Okay, let's solve the problem. Water image. Okay, 815 is the, okay, now it is the 15. I will take it as 18 30 and 8 15 15, and now it is looking as 10. Understand? The mirror, the water image should be, if it is 6 8 15, that should be looking as 10 15. This is the answer for this question. Okay, already we did 10 10. Okay, let me solve 11 15. 11 15. Okay, 1830 already I told 1830, and then here is coming as here given 11 15. Therefore 15 we should be looking as 7 15 is the answer for this question. Okay, second one, this is 1275. Okay, 1275 I will not at all take 830. Why? Because 830 I will not at all take. If I am subtracting from 1275, here it is coming as negative. That's why take it as 17. 1237 taken as 1790. 17 why should be? Because 60 is added. That's why make it as 1790. Okay, now it is 1245. Answer for this one. This is the important one I'm highlighting here, because if any of the value it is more than that compared to 30, take it as 17 or 17 is to 90. Okay, now it is 90 minus 45 is 45 only. 45 I will take it as green. 45 and 70 minus 3 is 5 is the answer for this question. Okay, 440, just now I am taking 440. 440 is also same thing. Okay, 440, 17, 90. Why? Because it is 30 we can't, that should be coming as negative. That's why I am taking as 440. That means 50. The time should be 50. And here it is coming as, what is 17 minus 4 is 13. Okay, it is more than 12 hours. Again, you need to subtract. Already I told you need to, if any more than 12 hours, you need to subtract from that one. Therefore, 12 minus 1 and 50. Answer, the mirror image should be looking as 150. Answer is 150 here. Okay, next problem. $235. That means you need to take it again. You need to take it as 790. This is the problem I taken. Again 235. It should be coming as 55 and 15. Here more than that 12 hour. We need to subtract from 12 hour. Then answer should be 55, and then 3 is the answer. 355 the mirror image of 235. Like that we can easily solve the question by using this logic. Okay, come to the next problem. Find the angle between the hands of, we can solve by multiple methods. I will show all the things here. Which one is preferable? Choose this is the M1 method I am taking. I am segregate 820s. This is the hour and this is the minute, and I am using the handwriting by using mouse. That's why it is handwriting is not real good. Okay. For 12 hour, we already know for the 12 hour that is 360 degree. Understand? That means if it is 8 is to 20 hour, that should be less than that one, right? Then we can keep it. There should become a numerator. There should be coming as 8 is to 8 plus 20 by 60. 20 by 60 by I am converting as hour into minute. Then 1 by 12. Then here 1 by 3. Then 360. 8 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 12. Okay, now it is 360 into 8 is 24. That means 25 by 3 divided by 1 by 12. 12 3 the 36. 3 1 the 3 10 the. Now here it is coming. Our hand is 250 degree. 250 degree. Here it is coming as. Now here it is as minute. For the minute thing, how it is at 20 minutes. For we already know for the 60 minute is for 1 hour it is 360. That is 1 hour is 60 minutes. That taken as 360 degree. Therefore, to 20 minutes there should be less than that one. Therefore, 360 into 20 by 60. Therefore, 6 the 120. Therefore, answer we need to subtract 250 minus 120 is the, this is the first method I am taking. Answer is 130 degrees. The angle, find the angle between 8 and 20 is, this is the 8 and this is the 20, right? 820 is 130 degree. Either we can solve from other method also. Let's see, observe carefully, friend. Okay. The second method is see friends, this is the one 820. Understand? Okay, 820 means this is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. This already I told for 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. Now it is 30. How many differences? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 34 the 120. 120 degrees are present for the hour angle as well as the for 1 hour we already know 60 minutes already to 60 minutes. Here it is 360 degree. Here it is 20 minutes. For the 20 minute 360 into 20 by 60, that is 6 6, that is 10. Okay. (20 by 60). Okay, sorry. For the 1 hour, this is 30 degree, right? 1 hour 30 degree. We should be taking as 31 only. 3 1 the. Okay, I am taking 60 minutes is equal to 30 degree. For therefore 20 minutes is equal to how much should be? How much should be? This is that we know for 1 hour is 30 degree. For 1 hour is 60 minutes. 30 degree means for 20 minutes that is 20 by 60. 31 the 32 the, therefore 210 the 10 degree. If we are adding that one 120 plus 10, that should be coming as 130 degree. This is the second method, friends. Either you can solve that method or else this method. The third method is, there is also symbol. This is the formula method. Note down 11 into minute. Okay, 11 into minute is equal to minus 60 into hour. This is the formula. If you remember this formula, either using this method as well. Okay, 11. What is the minute of thing? 20 minus what is the hour here? 60 into hour means 68. The direct line 480 by 2. Therefore 220 minus 480 by 2. Therefore coming as 220 means 260 by 2. Ignore minus sign here. Wherever the problem is coming minus sign, ignore minus sign. Therefore, this is the third method for solving these kind of problems. Okay, I will take one more problem. It will clear your problem doubts. Okay, first I will take it as normal formula method only. 11 into minute, that is 20. Okay, 60 into what is the hours? 7 hours divided by 20. 220 minus 6 7 the 420. Therefore 2. Therefore 420 minus 220 is 200. And ignore minus sign. Therefore 100 degrees is the answer for this question. This is the one method already I told. Other methods are okay. What is the thing? 720. 720, right? How many hours are coming? 1 2 3. 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. That means 3 3 the 9. Therefore 90 degree for the our thing. For the minute angle, 60 minute is equal to 30 degree. Therefore 20 minute is equal to, that should be 10 minutes only. Already I solved. 20 by 60, 31 the 32 the 2 1 the 2 10 the, therefore answer is coming as 10. Therefore 90 plus 10 is 100 degree. How could be the easy one? This is also easy one. Either you can that method or else this method. With the third method, I will show that method as well. We already split it up as hour one and minute one. For 12 hour it is, we already know 360 degree. Therefore 7 hour and 20 minute, right? Therefore 360, there should be less than 1. 7 directly I'm written as 20 by 60, that is 1 by 3 only directly into 1 by 12. Therefore 360 directly I will written as 7 3 the 21 into 22 by LCM by 3 divided by 1 by 12. For 12 3 the 36, 3 1 the 3 10 the, here it is 220. For here, for 60 minutes, for overall thing 60 minutes, 360 degree, that should be covered. Therefore, for 20 minutes, 360 into 20 by 60, 6 the, therefore 120. Here 220. Here for this kind of problem we need to subtract. Why? Because here we have taken the degree as 360 degree, because whole clock we are taking. For that problem here, for the second method we are taking the for 1 hour 30 degree. Don't confusion about that. For 1 hour I am taking 30 degrees. Here it is coming as, here I am taking as whole clock. 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. Understand? Therefore that's why I am minusing, subtracting. 220 minus 120 is equal to 100 is the answer. If any problem like this coming in your exam, either by formula method or this logical method, that is, I will show I shown all the methods. Which one is preferable to? Please choose that method. Okay, let's solve. Okay, I will wind here for this kind of problems. That is nothing but the same only. Okay. See, this is the important thing. For the relation between, as it is another type of problem asking in the exams, the relation between the 360 degrees, nothing but a coincident or overlapping. See, the 360 degree, that means if any of the clock is coincide means 360, that is nothing but a 360 only. That covers the, this is the, for example, okay, I will take, this is the one thing, this is the hour hand, the hour and the minute hand will covers all these things. They again come and contact here. Therefore, it covers 360 degree here. For hour and a minute angle, the coincide thing is 360 degree. Okay. If it is hour and minute angle is, this is the 90 degree fan, not 90 degree. If it is opposite the thing, that is 180 degree. This is the 180 degree. If it is perpendicular thing, that is the perpendicular thing here. If it is thing, either use this formula. If any problem relation between the hands is coming, either use this formula. I will show both the method. Number of the questions asking here, if any coincidence is there, problem. If the question is asking for 1 hour, how many times it is coincide? For 1 hour, it is only coincide one time only. Understand? If anyone, if it is 1 o'clock, it will come and coincide for one time only. Okay, for coincide overlapping. For 12 hours is 11 time. We need to neglect that because 12 and no overlap between the 12 and 1. That's why we are neglecting the 1. 12 minus 1 is 11, as well as the 24 hours. That is, we need to subtract as 2. That is 21. Same as it opposite thing. For the perpendicular, this should be double. Why? Because perpendicular for the 1 hour should be coming as perpendicular thing as, for example, already I told perpendicular thing. This one. For one thing is the perpendicular and coming as this one also perpendicular. Therefore, 2 times should be coming as perpendicular. Understand? For the 1 hour, only one times only happening. Hour and minute angle should be coming as opposite things as only one time. That's why. But here it is, that is 2 times coming as a perpendicular. That means that half of the that. Here it is, now it is 3 o'clock. This is also perpendicular. Now it is coming as 3:45. 3:30 and 3 for coming as 2 times as a perpendicular thing. Now, therefore, for 1 hour that is 2 times, for 12 hours that is 22 times, for 24 hours for the perpendicular happiness 44 times for 24 hours. This is the main important problem highlighting here. This is the compulsory question asking in every exam. Please note it down. Now, if any coincident thing is coming for 24 hours, that is 22 times. If any perpendicular time, we need to note it down. For opposite and coincident time, coincident things, that should be the same. For perpendicular thing, that should be coming as 2. That's why you need to remember this formula. Or else, either use this method or this method. This is the time relation between 16 by 11 into 10. What are the time is given in between? We need to use this logic, either using this formula or else this one. If any relative speed is coming, we need to multiply by 5 by 11. Okay, I will show the problems here. You will understand. Okay, let's solve the problem. At what time between 3 and 4 o'clock hands of the clock coincide? Okay, where should the coincident thing 3 and 4 o'clock coincident things? Okay, I will show one more. Okay, I will take the formula method. A is equal to already to 30h minus 5.5 minute. Coincident means that is the zero angle. I will take it as angle as 0. 30. What is the hour thing? This angle is 3 minus 5.5 into. We need to calculate the minute. Where should be coincide things with that 3 and 4 o'clock. Therefore, 90 minus 5.5 minus is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to direct 5.5 is there. I will take it as 900 divided by 55. If we are solving that one, we should be coming as 16 divided by 4 by 11. Why? Because 5 7 the 5 11 the. One more method is come. Okay, we already know for 1 hour. For 1 hour that is 60 minutes, but actually the thing is the minute angle. How many minutes angle is there? 55 minutes. We need to, if it is a 1 hour is there, if completed, we need to neglect 5 minutes. Why? Because that other, for 1 hour is 60 minutes, other things should be the gaining things only. 5 minutes is the gain thing. Okay, now it is for the 55 minutes is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, what is the coincident things in between that? 15. This should be coming as 3 and 4 o'clock. That should be coming as here, and this should be the coincident thing. Therefore, for 15 minutes, 60 into 15 divided by 55. Therefore, 5 3 the 5 11 the. If you are solving that one, 180 divided by 11, 16, 4 by 11 would come. Okay, either choose this method or that method. The answer should be the same only. Okay, next problem. At what time between the 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock will be the hand be at right angle? Okay, right angle means the angle is 90 degree. A is equal, we already know the for already highlighted, 30h minus 5.5 minute, 90 degree. What is the hour angle? 5 into 5 minus 5.5. Sorry, this is a minus 5.5. Therefore, 90 minus 150 minus 5.5 m. Therefore, m is equal to 90 minus 150 divided by 5.5. 90 minus 150 is 60. Okay, 60 means I will take it as decimal as 655. If you are solving that one, 5 11 the and 5 12 the 60. Therefore, 120 by 11 is the coincidence angle between them. Okay, I will take it as one more thing here. Second method is, we already know gaining angle 55 minutes is equal to 60 minute. Therefore, what is the coincident thing here? for the 4 o'clock and 10 o'clock. This is the 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Sorry, 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. What is the coincident thing? 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. This is the coincident thing. This is a 2 or 10. I will take the 10 minutes one. Why? Because the angle should be coming as this is the right angle thing. This is the right angle thing. Okay, angle between 5 o'clock and 6. This is C angle. This is the 5 o'clock is there. This is the 5 o'clock is what is the perpendicular? This is the perpendicular. This is the, and this could be the perpendicular thing for the 5 o'clock. Therefore, I will take it as 10 minutes here. For the 10 minutes, there should be 60 into 10 divided by 55. Again, same idea as 600 divided by 55. 511 the 120 divided by 11 is the coincident thing is the answer for this question. Or else the third method is already I wrote time is to 60 by 11 already shown in the tabular column. Time plus or minus 3. What is the time? 5 is to 60 by 11. Therefore 5 minus 3 is the thing, because it could be taken as negative 1. 5 is to 60 by 11 into 2. Therefore 620 the 5 is to 120 by 11. This is the highlight thing. Okay, either you can use this method or 3 methods I shown. Either you could do any of the methods, that could be the answer should be coming as same. Fine, next problem I will take and I wind up this case session. Okay, 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. What is the angle between straight thing? Here it is given as straight line but not together. Okay, fine. For the straight means 180 degree. First method A is equal to, what is the formula? 30H minus 5.5H. Okay, what is the angle of what is the angle here? It is given as straight. Straight means 180. That is also 210 minus 7.3 the direct line written as 7.3 the 21 minus 5.5 EH. Therefore, M is equal to, here it is the M1. Don't confuse. M is equal to, I will directly have 210 minus 180 is 30 divided by 5.5. I will wrote it as 300 divided by 55. Okay, 511 the 5/6 the, that means 60. This is the this minute should be the coincident thing between these angles. Okay, the second method is we already have it for 55 minutes is equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour is equal to, there should be gaining of 55 minutes for 1 hour I am taking. For therefore 5 minutes. Why I am taking the 5 minutes? See, observe carefully friends. That is now it is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, right? That is a straight line. Where should be coming? Here. Where should be coming? Here it is coming as straight, and that's why I am taking as 5 minutes. 5 minutes is equal to, applying the logic, we could easily solve any of the problem like this. 5 by 55. 5 on the 511, therefore 60 by 11 is the same thing. The third method is, there is also a formula method. Obtain the tabular column motion. Time is equal to 60 divided by 11 time plus or minus 3. Okay. Now the thing is, five is to 60 by 11. Therefore, here it is showing as 5 plus 3 is 5 minus 2. Therefore, 120 by 11. Okay, I do from both the thing plus or minus thing. either by using what is the thing, what is the time here? Time is 7 o'clock, either by using that method or this method. The answer should be coming as same only. No need of worrying anything. Okay, 7 minutes is 5. The answer should be coming as same only. Use this logic. Okay, next one. How many times are a hour and hand clock? How many times or a hand clock at 90 degree? Already I took for the perpendicular thing. How many times? That should be coming as 44 times is from the table already I shown. The second thing, okay, second one. How many times for the opposite? Opposite thing, how many times should be the hand hand clock? That should be 22 times. Okay, okay. Last one. If you're liking this, please hit the like button as well as subscribe. If you have any doubts in your mind, please let me know in the comments. Feel free to ask the question. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.